Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download free ebooks from Google as PDF. First thing, open your browser, type in this Google Books. Go on the first link that says Google Books. Once this open, this is where you type in the title of the book that you want. For an example, I'll type in poems and I'll search. And let's say I want to download this one. Just click on it. Cancel this. Here's where you see the option to download as PDF. Just click on download PDF. Here it is. Go on the top right corner and click this download key. And save. Once it downloads, then you're done.